Hello, today let's learn how to install the DNS on 2016 and 12 and 12R2. First, go to Server Manager. Then go to Manage. Then select Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Next. Afterwards, select Active Directory Domain Services and DNS Server. Now you will get a message that no static IP addresses were found, but when we install the DNS on 2016, 12 and 12R2, we installed the DNS without a static IP address. So we will press continue. Next. 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 And tick this one and click install. Now you can see the Active Directory Domain Services and the DNS server is currently being installed. Okay, now you can see that DNS and Active Directory Domain Services are installed. Now close this interface and you can see a notification on your right side top. Select that one. And now you can see that you need to promote this to domain control. So click this one Afterwards, you can see three options. The first one is for a backup server. If you currently have a DNS server, then you can select this and create a backup server. And the second one is for a child server. If you currently have a server, you can select this and create a child server. And the third one is the DNS server. So we need to select add a new forest. Now select the third option, add a new forest. And here they are asking a root domain name. That is the place we are give your domain name. I will just give test.local and click next. Now in here you can see forest function level and domain function level. These two options help us in creation of the child server and the backup server. So the best thing to do is put the lowest one. If there is Windows Server 2008, put both of them as Windows Server 2008. Okay. Now they are asking a password. Now this is not your administrator password. This is your restore mode password. This is just a safe mode interface if you want to interact with the server without harming your Active Directory. So we'll just give not the administrator password that you currently logged in using. We'll just give another one. And click next. And click next. Click next. These are some default folders that is created using when we install this server. So you can just leave them as it is and we'll just click next. This is the summary that what you have added to the server. So you can read this and we'll just click next. Now the server is checking whether it is compatible to create a DNS server on this operating system with this PC. Okay, now it has finished checking the server. Now it promotes us to install the server, so we'll just click install. After the promotion of the server will automatically restart and the domain will be created. Now you can see that the server has installed and it is currently trying to restart the server so that it can promote the server successfully. Now let's log into our domain using the password that you used before you created the server, not the password that we applied when we created the server. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to assign a static IP address to the server after we log in. So right click on the network icon on the bottom right corner and select Open Network and Sharing Center. Afterwards, select Ethernet or go to Change Adapter Settings option. If you go to Change Adapter Settings, you will see a network card. If you have two network cards, you will see two network cards. So currently I have one network card, so I will right click on that one and go to Properties, and you will see two versions, IP version 4 and IP version 6. Normally we use the IP version 4 protocol, so I'm going to select that one and use the following IP addresses and type 192.168.10.10 and select the subnet mask. And if you have a router in that range, you can assign that router's IP address to the default gateway. So if you have a router in that range, you can assign the default gateway address as the router's IP address, and for the preferred, keep as it is. The 127.0.0.1 is the loopback IP for the server, so keep it as it is and press OK. Now you have assigned the IP address for the server and you have created the Active Directory domain server. So you can check whether the server is created by going to Tools at the top right corner and select Active Directory Users and Computers. And now you can see your domain name here, and you expand this, you can see Active Directory, users and computers. So thanks for tuning in for KP Tech Tips, and have a nice